Alright, what we are doing today is we are changing the fuel pressure low side sensor on the Ecoboost Mustang. My car's pretty much full bolt on, except for the wastegate. I'll be knocking that out today if it stops raining. I actually had to leave my house and go to a little parking deck because I have a RX-7 and RX-8 and all that under my carport, so can't do that under, in the rain. So we are knocking this fuel sensor out. We just left Ford, got the new one, updated one with the hole, the scallops. Seen other videos, it only takes like 6 minutes. And let's see if we can turn this camera around while I'm recording, and no. So anyway, here we go. This is the sensor right here. Don't have my engine cover on. Like I said, full bolt on. I got AM, charge pops, HKS wastegate, map cold air intake with sleeves to keep it cool. I don't know if you can see good, but down pop, full cap back. I have the Speed for Race full size front mount intercooler. But yeah, let's try to knock this out real quick. My kid won't hold my phone, so we're gonna have to try to get some maneuvering going. I'm gonna have to lean this on my cool pack. Anyway, so get your adjustable, and everyone online says this is a 12, and there we go. You're going to want to go towards the driver's side because it is reverse and it's loose. That's it. Maybe it's not loose. Yep, my wrench is sliding. Yeah, my wrench is rusty. Okay, now it's loose. There may be a little bit of fuel. Let me get it right. How about an oak glove? And I did just take the car for a drive here, so there is fuel pressure behind it. Now the one I already have on here is the I'm going slow so I can let the fuel release slowly. This is the low side, so it's not extreme amount of pressure, but fuel, you don't want it all over the place. And as you can see, no hole. This is the BA model, which I guess that was an updated version. This is the one with the, where's the camera at? It's got the little hole in it. I don't know if you can pick up the hole on the camera, but this is the, try to get the circle centered, won't read. Anyway, this is the CA, so it's the newest revision. The reason why I'm putting this in here is just for safe precaution, and because I'm waiting on a new tune from Unleashed. Boom, that's in. Now we have to tighten it back down if we can get the grooves right, but this one is a little bit bigger than the other one.
Daddy, why is the car almost to the roof?
Why is the car to the roof?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
No, I mean the top part.
The hood?
The top.
Well, it seems like I got it in there pretty tight by hand, but I'm not about to break a fuel line. Especially on a daily. That's in there pretty good. I'm not super strong, but I like to make sure there's no fuel leaks going down the road. Let's see if we can get this at a different angle. That should be good. Anyway, that's in there good. And from what I've seen, other people are unplugging this, well, I won't see the fuel sensor they're unplugging. But as you can see, that's done. Like real quick, real simple, real easy. And here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna turn the key on. Key off. Key on. Key off. Now crank it and turn it off. I want to do that a couple times, just to kind of prime it up. Now, good to go. Now before on my handheld, it was reading, I was correcting one on my long term and one on my short term. So hopefully we will have a little bit different reads. Then again, this is only a 17, so my sensor may have not even been bad, but it would have been safe to just go ahead and do it anyway.
Daddy, I'm trying
And
to
that's
walk.
about it.